In today's digital world, most people think productivity means subscribing to a big cloud platform. We write documents online, store files in someone else's data center, and collaborate using services controlled by large corporations. But there is another powerful path that many organizations, developers, and privacy-focused users are taking. Instead of relying entirely on proprietary ecosystems, they are building their own complete office environments using open source software. Today we're going to explore how two major open source projects can work together to create a full productivity suite, LibreOffice and Nextcloud. To understand this idea, let's start with something familiar. When you think about office software, you probably imagine writing documents, creating spreadsheets, and building presentations. For decades, these tasks have been handled by office suites installed directly on computers. LibreOffice is one of the most powerful open source office suites available today, and it provides everything most people need for everyday productivity. LibreOffice includes several applications that cover the core tasks of office work. The word processor, called Writer, allows you to create professional documents with headings, tables, images, and formatting tools. It supports advanced features like track changes, comments, and exporting to PDF. That makes it ideal for reports, research papers, business letters, or any type of written document. Another major component is Calc, which is used for spreadsheets. Calc can handle everything from simple budgets to complex data analysis. It supports formulas, charts, pivot tables, and many other tools used by analysts and business professionals. If you've ever worked with spreadsheets before, Calc will feel very familiar. LibreOffice also includes Impress, which is designed for presentations. With Impress, you can create slideshows with animations, transitions, and multimedia elements. Whether you're presenting in a classroom, a meeting, or a conference, Impress provides all the tools needed to design engaging presentations. Beyond these three main tools, LibreOffice also includes Draw4 diagrams and vector graphics, Base for database management, and Math for writing mathematical formulas. Together, these applications form a complete desktop office environment that rivals many commercial office suites. One of the most important things about LibreOffice is its use of open standards. Documents are typically saved using the OpenDocument format, also known as ODF, because this format is open and standardized. Your files are not locked into a single company's ecosystem. Anyone can build software that supports this format, which means your documents remain accessible in the future. However, modern work rarely happens on just one computer anymore. Teams collaborate across multiple devices and locations. Files need to be shared instantly. People expect to access their documents from laptops, tablets, or smartphones. That's where the next piece of our open source Office suite comes in. Nextcloud is a self-hosted cloud platform that allows you to store, share, and synchronize files across devices. Think of it as your own private cloud server. Instead of uploading files to a third-party storage service, you run your own cloud system where you control the data. When you install Nextcloud on a server, it creates a central location where all your files can live. From there, you can access them through a web browser, a desktop synchronization app, or mobile aplicativos. Any file placed in your Nextcloud folders automatically syncs across your devices. For example, imagine writing a report using LibreOffice Writer on your laptop. If the document is saved inside your Nextcloud folder, it will automatically upload to your cloud server. Later, you can open the same file on another computer or even on your phone. The latest version will always be available. Nextcloud also makes file sharing extremely easy. You can share folders with coworkers, give view-only access to clients, or create secure download links for external collaborators. Permissions can be adjusted so that certain people can edit files while others can only view them. But file storage is just the beginning. What really transforms Nextcloud into a complete office environment is its ability to integrate collaborative editing tools. Through integrations with platforms like Collabora Online or OnlyOffice, documents stored in Nextcloud can be edited directly in the browser. This means multiple people can open the same document at the same time and work on it together. If one person is typing in a paragraph, others can see the changes appearing instantly. Comments can be added, edits can be tracked, and discussions can happen directly inside the document. Collabora Online is especially interesting because it is built on the LibreOffice technology itself. Essentially, it brings LibreOffice editing capabilities into the browser, allowing teams to collaborate online while still benefiting from the same document compatibility and features. With this integration, the open source Office suite becomes much more powerful. You can write documents locally with LibreOffice, store them in Nextcloud, and collaborate on them online with colleagues. It creates a flexible workflow that combines desktop productivity with cloud collaboration. Nextcloud also goes far beyond document editing. One of its strengths is its ecosystem of apps that expand its functionality. For example, Nextcloud includes a communication tool called Calc. This app allows teams to send messages, make voice calls, and host video meetings directly from the platform. Instead of using separate services for communication and file storage, everything can exist in the same environment. Documents, chats, and meetings are all connected in one workspace. Nextcloud also includes calendar and contact management tools. These can synchronize with smartphones, email clients, and other devices using open protocols. When someone schedules a meeting, it can automatically appear on everyone's calendar. Another useful feature is collaborative notes. Teams can maintain shared notes, project plans, or documentation directly inside the platform. This is extremely helpful for brainstorming sessions, project tracking, or maintaining internal knowledge bases. Security is one of the major reasons people choose open source solutions like LibreOffice and Nextcloud. When using proprietary cloud services, your data is stored on servers controlled by another company. You must trust that company to protect your information and respect your privacy. With Nextcloud, you host the system yourself or with a provider you choose. This means you control where your data is stored and how it is managed. Organizations that handle sensitive information such as universities, research institutions, and government departments often prefer this level of control. Nextcloud also supports encryption and secure connections. Data transferred between devices and the server can be protected with HTTPS, and additional security features like two-factor authentication can be enabled to protect user accounts. Another advantage of open source Office suites is customization. Because the software is open, developers can modify or extend it. Organizations can build custom integrations, automate workflows, or connect the platform with other internal systems. For example, a company might integrate its authentication system so employees can log in using their existing accounts. A university might connect Nextcloud with its learning platform to allow students to submit assignments directly through the cloud storage system. Deployment options are also very flexible. A small team might run Nextcloud on a simple server or even a home computer. Larger organizations might deploy it on powerful cloud infrastructure capable of supporting thousands of users. Some people use container technologies like Docker to simplify installation. This approach packages the software with all its dependencies, making it easier to deploy and maintain. When organizations decide to move toward an open source Office environment, they usually adopt it gradually. First, they introduce LibreOffice as a desktop productivity tool. Once employees become comfortable using it, the next step might be setting up Nextcloud for file sync. After that, collaborative editing, messaging, and video meetings can be integrated step by step. This gradual transition allows teams to adjust their workflows without major disruptions. One of the biggest strengths of this ecosystem is the global community behind it. LibreOffice is developed by contributors from around the world, including programmers, designers, translators, and documentation writers. The same is true for Nextcloud, which has an active community constantly building new features and improvements. Because development happens in the open, bugs and security issues can be discovered and fixed quickly. The software evolves based on real user needs rather than purely commercial priorities. Educational institutions have been some of the biggest adopters of these tools. Universities often need large collaboration platforms while also protecting student privacy. By combining LibreOffice with Nextcloud, they can create digital workspaces where students collaborate on research, share documents, and attend online meetings. Governments are also increasingly exploring open source Office solutions. Using open standards helps ensure that public records remain accessible for decades without relying on proprietary formats controlled by private companies. Of course, building your own Office suite does require some planning. Servers need to be maintained, backups must be configured, and updates should be applied regularly. But for many organizations, the benefits of control, flexibility, and cost savings outweigh the challenges. Once everything is set up, the result is a powerful and independent productivity ecosystem. Users can create documents using LibreOffice Store and share them through Nextcloud, collaborate online with colleagues, communicate through integrated chat and video tools, and access everything from any device. This combination transforms open source software into a complete digital workplace. What's truly exciting is that this ecosystem continues to grow. Developers are constantly improving collaboration tools, enhancing performance, and building new integrations. As remote work and digital collaboration continue to expand, open source Office platforms are becoming more capable every year. The journey from LibreOffice to Nextcloud shows that you don't need to rely entirely on proprietary platforms to achieve modern productivity. With the right combination of open source tools, anyone can build a secure, flexible, and fully functional Office suite. And perhaps the most important thing is that these tools are built around openness, transparency, and community collaboration. They empower users not just to use software, but to control it, improve it, and shape its future. So whether you're an individual looking for privacy, a developer exploring open technologies, or an organization seeking digital independence, the combination of LibreOffice and Nextcloud offers a powerful path toward building your own complete open source Office environment.